This is the screen graphic file. Extract it. Okay, so this is the file you need. Double click inside to check. Okay, so this is all the screens. Then copy this file. You need a SD card and a card reader. Card reader like this. Insert the card into the card reader and then plug into the computer. Okay, it's plugged in now. Now you double click my computer and then it will show up the card that you plug in. So this is computer C and this is D, and then double click inside. Okay, so this is your SD card and this is the file that you need. Copy this inside your card reader. Make sure you do not change the file, the folder name. The folder name needs to be exactly the same as the one you extract. Do not change the name, and then copy this inside your SD card. After the copy is done, eject the card. Remove the screen from the mounting and remove these 8 screws so you can pry open the casing. Okay, now the controller is off. Turn off everything. Insert the card. Okay, make sure it clicks. Then flip it to the front so that you can see, and then turn on the power. Okay, you can see the screen flashes. It flashes on every page. Just wait. Okay, when you see the screen, that means it's done, and you can turn off again. And remove the SD card. Then you can put back the casing, mount it back to the frame, and it's done.